Wadau, walking alone does not mean you are a failure. Many people, they fall in their life because they carry many friends of which they are not serious in their life. Unapata maybe wanafunzi, for an example, mwanafunzi ameachana na ile group mbaya pale shule, the group that engage themselves in risky behaviors, the group that engage themselves in partying. But baadaye huyu mwanafunzi anakuja kugraduate na anakuwa successful in life, but others, they later become useless in the community. They struggle so that they can earn a living. I'm not advocating that uachane na marafiki zako, but just know the power of walking alone. Unaweza kuwa unatembea peke yako, watu wanakujudge, wanasema that wewe ni mtu haujihusishi na watu, kujishirikisha na watu kwa vitu. Just know the behaviors of the kind of the friends that you have. Just a reminder, angalia friend wako ni friend aina gani, then know that walking alone does not mean being a failure. Peace.